What is my philosophy? Well, the core of it is I use these files to steer the model away from things that it's consistently doing wrong. I am surprised at how rare that is nowadays. I find with every new model release, I can delete more and more of the agent MD. I'll sometimes, when trying a new model, just delete it entirely and see what changes and then bring back the parts that matter. My little hack I recommended, and I brought this up in other agentic coding videos. I'll just show you it. I'm going to delete all of this because it's garbage. The role of this file is to describe common mistakes and confusion points that agents might encounter as they work in this project. If you ever encounter something in the project that surprises you, please alert the developer working with you and indicate that this is the case in the agentmd file to help prevent future agents from having the same issue. To be very clear about this, the instruction I'm giving here is not what I actually want it to do. I don't want the agents constantly changing the claudemd or agentmd files. What I do want them to do is try to change the thing when it gets stuck. Because most of the time the agent gets stuck on something or thinks something surprising or confusing. It's not something I want it to know about. It's something that I want to go fix. So I try to sneak this into all of the agentmds for all of the projects I'm actively working on, especially in the earlier stages, to figure out what the agent does and doesn't understand. And then when I learn about those things that it's struggling with and I see the mistakes that it's making and the things it thinks are confusing, I will adjust the code base accordingly. But the instruction I'm giving the model here to change the file is not actually the thing I want it to do. I want it to try and change the file so I can take that information and then go fix something else with it. If I see what it's struggling with or what it thinks it's struggling with, I can then go make better decisions about how I architect the code base. I merge less than a fifth of the changes it proposes, but the other 4 out of 5 I use to make the code base better.